Take a look at this remarkable piece of furniture that plays music when you open a drawer, just like it did when it was made back in 1819. It has an instrument with 26 strings called a zither attached to the underside of the top. It is strummed by a goose quill when you open the top drawer. It plays a pleasing run of musical notes, kind of like when you turn on a computer today. Let's listen to it as I open the drawer. This sound can also be an alarm if someone is breaking into the desk to steal something. It was made by John C. Burgner in Greene County, who inscribed a label that is still inside. This looks like a chest of drawers, but it's really a type of desk called a secretary because it has a secretary drawer. Let's lower the drawer front and look at the label. It reads, "Made by J.C. Burgner for William Paton, September the 8th, 1819. Besides playing music, this piece is very decorative with its cherry, curly maple, and burl veneers. The secondary wood, that you don't see on the outside, is yellow pine and tulip poplar. It's very rare to have a cabinet maker sign and date an early piece of furniture like this, and even more rare to have a piece of furniture that plays music. John C. Burgner also made dulcimers, 6 of which are listed in his account book, along with his entry for making this secretary. Okay, let's hear how it sounds when I push the drawer back in. What a great time capsule of cabinet making and music from 1819.